Enhance IoT analytics with our Data to Insights Accelerator on AWS for solar, hydro, wind energy sources. Drive scalability, efficiency, and cost savings. As a leading player in the renewable energy sector, you recognize the importance of asset availability and performance. It is important for players in the energy sector to have a single source of truth for all their data sources, a view into operational efficiency and optimize asset performance. Introducing Locuz Data to Insights Accelerator on AWS. Our solution combines state-of-the-art cloud-native services to deliver real-time insights, predictive maintenance, and enhanced operational efficiency. Our advanced data consolidation and visualization platform can provide you with a unified view of your assets at defined hierarchies, enabling real-time decision-making and empowering you to unlock the full potential of your renewable energy portfolio. Imagine the power of having consolidated, actionable insights at your fingertips. What problems can Data to Insights Accelerator help solve for you? Do you lack multi-dimensional data acquisition for data science and advanced analytics? Is centralized reporting for operations and assets performance critical for you? Are you struggling with real-time insights on operational efficiency and asset performance? Is high OPEX giving you sleepless nights? By embracing this transformative approach, you can unlock unparalleled flexibility, reduce costs, and optimize your renewable energy assets to their full potential. We have also laid out a detailed scope of services under our managed services to help serve you better. We can customize our services around your needs. Remote Operations Control Center. The ROCC provides a centralized dashboard that consolidates data from various sources, allowing operators to remotely monitor and manage solar, wind, and storage assets from a single interface. Real-time data from solar, wind, and energy storage assets is pulled into the dashboard in compliance with NERC-CIP medium impact requirements, providing operators with a comprehensive overview of asset performance and status. Apart from these, we also provide managed services for infrastructure, data pipe, and visualization layer to give you comprehensive visibility. Connect with us to explore how our solution can empower your organization to make informed decisions, improve operational efficiency, and achieve unmatched performance in the renewable energy sector.